So we can go to the actual last part, the property offering. We do the combination of apartment units, landed properties, and Airbnb. Apartments is Watanabe-san, who are the very successful real estate businessman in Japan. He lives in Singapore. He couldn't come, but he has good list of the properties. 11 properties, actually 12 properties he can source. I think you can discuss these terms because both understand the importance of international lease contract. And those are generally good, but I actually single out 2 good properties that I recommend. One is one Tokyo property near Skytree. Skytree is the largest, highest tower, and it sells the huge shopping and entertainment center. And also this can access to Asakusa, like a traditional old town area. And what I like is the square meter. 52 square meter is a beauty, because I say 50 to 70 square meter properties raise like the best in terms of capital appreciation. And this area, it used to be not a favored area, but now it's upcoming. A lot of tourists and a lot of changes, so it's kind of upcoming area. And it's around 400,000 Sing dollar. NOI, this is like owner income after all expenses deducted. So usually Tokyo's NOI is 3% to 4%. So 3.49% is a norm. This sit in the 11th floor, built in 2014. I think this is good that you can make a good start. And another one, I think this one for the capital appreciation, this is the best one. Top top. It's in the good area, wealthy Ebisu area. Ebisu is in the Shibuya area, all rich people, and they love living, and they are paying more rent, easier to raise rent. And because of the exchange rate, in Sing dollars, like 560. Maybe I think this is similar to a 1-bed, 2-bed apartment Woodland. It's not very expensive.
Okay, one question about Singapore have a leasehold and a freehold. Everything is a freehold.
Freehold.
In Japan, everything is
freehold.
Freehold. Sure.
I think yes, we have a small amount of leasehold, but usually freehold. That is one good thing.
Yeah.
Never buy leasehold.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. I think if you can reach that, yeah, I think this is very safe and secure investment. But on the top floor, yeah. And Watanabe-san provide another one in the last minute. This is one feature is they have no vacancy risk because they are rental guaranteed. So when the vacant, yeah, rental guarantee means that when the room becomes vacant, usually you don't have the rental income, but actually the company pays you the rent, whatever. I personally don't think this is needed, because in good area like here, or like this one. Anyway, it's easy to find rent. I think, yeah, but some people, they like always the same, very secure. It's first time, so I do, yeah.
Do they have a non-rental guarantee too, if they don't want it?
I need to see the contract because some contract is very difficult to remove.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this one is the guarantee.
Guarantee. This is guarantee. They pay 3.44 is guarantee. So that means like the actual the rental is more higher. They are the tenant is paying higher. Yeah, and they are giving the guaranteed rent. The location is good. The Shinjuku.
This is really like single.
That's small, a little bit small.
But is it quite common?
Studio 25 square meter is a norm now. Yeah, I don't recommend you to buy less than 25. The 25 in CBD is okay. But if you can reach the budget, I recommend the bigger one. Why I recommend bigger one? Because for this one, the studio one, no family can live, no family will buy. But for this one, family, couple, rich couple, they want to buy, so and those people pay more. Okay. And we are just say landed properties. Only one, but in Shibuya, you see the crossing is famous. This is only 10 minutes walk from here, and we will have the land with built 3 stories house. And I recommend people who are wealthy and who love Japan, and whenever they visit Japan, they just relax. Or they show off, this is that kind of thing. So it's actually $3. Land is freehold, and we will build new. So it will be expected to be built next year. Still building, and the price is something like 3 million Sing.
For one house.
One house each. So it's not very investment type. It's more like if you like the lifestyle. And one good thing is you don't use all the time. So when you are not using, we just do the Airbnb and make it profitable. NOI may not be very high. So if you want Airbnb, I recommend touristic place in the Tokyo's east side. Land is cheaper, and you can collect good rental actually, like hotel income or Airbnb income. Yeah. So this is the one project that my friend is building, and this building is very close to the Tokyo Skytree, 10 minutes walk, and they have huge number of tourist places, Skytree, Asakusa area, and the riverside. Those are all very famous places. Yeah. And one beautiful thing is this is 5-story new buildings, 10 units. Everything can we rented as an Airbnb, and some, actually we are showing you the best number. Actually, I asked 2 or 3 companies, and the number is best. But if this guy, if this income is garage, it's like a 9% rental return. Airbnb return I don't pretty much rely on, but this one good thing is at least 6% or something. NOI can be expected. So this is more like an investment. The last one is in Kyoto guest house. It is very rare find because nobody wants to sell. Kyoto makes a lot of money, but Australian owner want to sell it fast because probably they want to buy something in Australia. So he asked me to sell. This is very beautifully, traditionally renovated and operational guest house. So they have already one very renowned company managing, and it's English speaking. But this is a French company called Japan Experience. Everybody speaks English. Everybody writes English names, so easy. And this one is very, very central in Kyoto, and built it like 200 years ago. And the price is like 670 C. And the owner income actual number and the expected number, I reviewed expected number till this June. It's on track of 4.8 million yen, and ROI is like 6%. This 6% is achievable easier. So this is one good thing that you can buy, and you assume the current management contract, making money, and if you don't need or if you want to use it for your holiday home or your second home, you can use it in the future.
But my question is, if we buy this out of the units at the end, the management will be paid in 1 year or 1 week?
Monthly.
Monthly.
Yes, monthly. They pay out monthly.
The management fee.
Management fee is management plus cleaning 25% of the gross income.
Oh, do you deduct yearly or monthly?
Monthly. Everything comes monthly. It's like very average.
25% of the income.
Yes, 25% of the gross income. Gross, like gift
They
income.
don't fix amount, is it? Based on the
3%,
rental.
5% of the rental.
Based on the rental income, they pay 25%.
Yes, they based on the rental income.
Based on the rental
They collected rental income. They collected it. 25% is theirs, and they pay other insurance costs or like utility costs, and then they give the owner the rest.
75%.
75%. The gross income was like 6 million something, 6.5 million, and everything after everything deducted, the actual number last year was 4 million.
Net income.
Net income. This is net.
Already without all the expense of the rental.
If you buy this, if you want to buy this, I would like you to act quickly.
How about the rental income, the tax? Do they already deduct it?
Income tax is another thing. But actually income tax for this is not a big deal.
25% of the total?
Yeah, 25%. That include management, booking management, and then cleaning. Cleaning is actually money. Actually, they need to spend a lot of money for the cleaning. It's difficult to get people, and the shortage of people. Suddenly, so many tourists come and so many workers. We rely on.
This one, the net income, we still have to pay the rental, the tax.
Yeah, tax, Japan tax.
Then who do the tax? We have to submit our.
I can do that, or I can appoint English-speaking or tax accountant in Japan. Yeah,
How much that?
1,000 something.
So this amount, say 4.268, 4,268,000. This is net to the owner.
Yeah, net to the owner.
Net to the owner. So after deduction of tax and everything. Or excluding
What they deduct is what management company deduct, and also the utility fee and insurance fee. After you get the income, everybody have to report the tax. Yeah. And also one thing like in any property you buy, if your residence is not in Japan, all rental income need to be withheld 20% withholding tax. Actually, usually withholding tax 20% is larger than what you need to pay. So what the people usually do is after being deducted 20%, they ask the tax consultant to give some tax back. So pay it upfront, that is withheld tax. Then you do the tax return project. Well, if you have a company in Japan, or if you have some entity in Japan, you don't need it. The set of company in Japan is
So
very
the tax is 25%.
income tax.
Income tax 25%.
Income tax is like gradual, like a tax.
Yeah, progressive.
Progressive. This income is you can deduct many things. Like you can deduct depreciation, and I think this one you can enjoy the huge depreciation benefit for the first 4 years. So for the first 4 years, I expect your tax is zero. After 5 years, a little bit.
zero tax for the first 4 years.
4 years, yeah.
Because
Because
without the depreciation.
Japan's system is like if you buy the very old house, the building like the building portion is deductible by in 3 years. Sorry, first 3 years. So 3 years you can get the huge deduction benefit.
Those are total house. It's a kind of conservation house, right? So you cannot change it outside.
Outside is difficult.
You cannot change it, right? So it's a conservation area. It's considered as depreciated because of wood. But I don't know. There's a regulation, right?
I think maybe the facade is pretty much protected or maintained. Inside you can do pretty much everything. I think this is one good thing that if you want to start Airbnb in Japan, this is a good, fast, easier project. With management companies there, most of the owners are foreign owners, so they are experienced to deal with, foreign owners.
So the owner has been engaging this management company for how many years?
Yeah, 6 years.
Yeah.
Very renowned company, Japan experience. It's a French guy established in Japan. Any questions? Then I think it's pretty much the end of the lecture. And this is our website, and this is my YouTube site. I play the piano. I play the piano and sing. Most of the contents are in Japanese. Some are English or Mandarin. Thank you very much for the listening.